This guided meditation was inspired by the work of Phyllis Krystal. Hello and welcome. This body scan is designed to nourish, heal, and restore every part of you. We will be using imagery and deeply resonant words, symbols, and language your subconscious mind already understands, so that the healing can fully take effect. Allow your conscious mind to participate to help guide and direct the healing from within. You are welcome to lie down, but if you find yourself drifting toward sleep, sitting upright in a relaxed posture may serve you better. Whatever feels right, let yourself arrive there now. Take a slow, deep breath and let's begin. A few gentle affirmations will help us relax into the work. Say these to yourself inwardly. I invite my subconscious to gently do any work that is needed. I allow healing to unfold in its own way. I welcome a quiet wisdom to guide my awareness where it needs to go. Now soften your mind. Allow your eyes to close. Begin to imagine a place, any place at all, where you feel completely safe and at peace. It may be somewhere you know, somewhere you've been, or somewhere entirely your own. Let your mind build it around you, the sounds, the air, the feeling of being there. Rest here for a moment. In this place, you are going to choose a light. This light is your healing companion for today. It will travel with you through every part of your body, and as it moves through you, it carries 4 qualities. It will cleanse, soothe, heal, and restore. You may choose a warm, golden sunlight, gentle and radiant like a summer sunset, or you may choose a cool, silvery moonlight, soft and still and deeply calming. Take a moment and feel which one your body is asking for today. Now that you've chosen your light, let's begin. Bring your attention down to your toes, all 10 of them. Let your awareness simply rest there. Imagine your light, glowing, gentle, and radiant. The light gathers at the tip of your feet. Let it move into every toe. Allow it to cleanse, soothe, heal, restore every bone, muscle, nerve, and cell. Now let the light move slowly upward into the soles of your feet, your heels, your ankles. Let it settle here, warm and steady. Every bone, every muscle, every nerve and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. The light flows on now into your calves, your knees, your thighs and hips. Let it move through all of it, into every bone, every muscle, every nerve and cell. Allow it to cleanse, soothe, heal, and restore. The light flows into the pelvic area now. Let it settle here, soft and still. Allow it to reach your most intimate places, your creative center, the seat of life itself, into every tissue and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. The light finds its way to the base of your spine now. This is where so much is held. Let it move slowly here into each vertebrae, one by one. Into every bone, every tissue and cell, the very root of your nervous system beginning to glow, cleansing, soothing, healing, regenerating. The light moves now into your stomach and intestines, the quiet, tireless workers of your body, always working, always giving. Let the light pour into every organ, every tissue and cell. Allow it to cleanse, soothe, heal, and restore. Now the light spreads through your entire abdomen, your core, the center of you. Let the light fill it completely, deep and steady, into every organ, every tissue and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. Now, the light arrives at your solar plexus, just below your rib cage. This is your second brain, the great center of feeling and knowing, where your nervous system lives and breathes. Bring your attention here to the very core. Imagine your solar plexus as a flower. What kind of flower do you see? Take a moment to visualize it fully. Give it color and shape. Is it open or is it closed? Whatever you see is perfect. If it is closed, gently, lovingly, invite it to open. Let the petals soften and bloom. And as it opens, the light pours in, traveling from here into every nerve throughout your entire body, all the way to your fingertips, all the way to the top of your head, glowing with warmth and vitality, cleansing, soothing, healing, regenerating. Now the light begins to climb, moving up through your spine, each vertebrae, one by one, into your torso, your chest, your upper back. Let it spread through all of it, like warmth filling a room, into every bone, every muscle, every tissue and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. The light flows into your lungs now, into your heart, into the whole of your chest cavity, this place that holds so much. And here we invite the breath to join us. With every inhale, imagine drawing in light, fresh air, pure vitality. Let it fill every corner of your lungs. And with every exhale, let go. Release any tension, any fear, any heaviness that no longer serves you. Breathe it out and let it dissolve. Inhale light, exhale and release into every organ, every tissue and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. The light moves now into both arms, down from your shoulders, into your upper arms, past your elbows, down through your forearms, and into your wrists, into the palms of your hands, all the way to the very tips of your fingers, every bone, every muscle, every tissue and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. Now the light gathers at your throat, the place of your voice, your expression, your truth. Bring your attention here and imagine this place as a flower. What kind of flower do you see? Give it color and shape. Is it open or is it closed? If it is closed, gently invite it to open. Let the petals soften and bloom. And as it opens, the light pours in, soft and steady into every tissue and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. The light moves now to the back of your neck and your shoulders. This is where so many of us carry the weight of our days without even realizing it. Let it all begin to soften now. Imagine gentle hands of light massaging this area, working out every knot, every point of tension, every place that has been holding on. Let the light go into every bone, every muscle, every tissue and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. Now the light travels the full length of your spine, from the very base all the way up to the top, every vertebrae one by one, re-energizing, reawakening each one as it passes through, the entire spine glowing now with light, cleansing, soothing, healing, regenerating. The light moves now into your jaw. Let it soften and release. Let your tongue relax inside your mouth. Let your eyes grow soft and still, your cheeks, your nose, your ears, the skin of your face revitalized. The light moves into your head now, your scalp, the deep, quiet centers of your brain, into every bone, every tissue and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. Now, feel your entire body soften in this quiet, revitalized glow. We allow our senses to rest. Sight, touch, taste, smell, sound. All of it softens as we turn our attention inward. Finally, the light travels now to your temples and your forehead, Let it gather here, soft and still, into every nerve, every tissue and cell, cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. With your inner eye, take a slow and gentle journey through your entire body, from your toes all the way to the top of your head. Notice if any part of you is calling for more light, any area that feels like it needs a little more attention. Go there, pour the light in as much as it needs. Let it fill every shadow, every ache, every place that has been waiting to be seen. Take your time here. Your body knows what it needs: cleansing, soothing, healing, restoring. Rest here now. Let the light settle through every part of you, and say to your subconscious and the deeper parts of yourself, you may heal me. Help me learn the lessons I need to learn. Teach me how to heal. When you are ready, begin to slowly return. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. Carry this light with you as you move through your day. It is yours. It lives in you now.